Boom! So welcome back. So in today's video we're just gonna be going to a car meet. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this is the Downshift meet. This is my first time going to one of their meets, so hopefully it's good. The weather's looking cloudy, but it looks like it's not gonna rain. Also I bought the stabilizer, but I'm not too sure if I'm actually gonna use it, but might as well bring it in case. Hey, and I'm actually not taking my car because you know it got defected and stock life. But yeah, so see you guys then. Alright, so we just got to the meet. Now it's time to check out these cars. Fucking sick. Yeah, fine. Look at that. But it makes me want one now, bro. Look. Looks like. Fuck, this is clean. Ah, wide body S15 and 180. Fucking tough. Wide body S15, 180.
Look at that public walk, you know.
It is. Look at that, bro.
Look how fat the tires are, though. Shit.
Fuck, look at that. GTR. Fuck.
Fucking see.
Boy, so if you guys didn't know, Hack used to run this wing too. He used to have the wing, but he sold it. Or Hack, why'd you sell the wing for?
Cause too much downforce. I was like beating all these GLs and shit. Like it's too easy, man.
Yeah. Fuck. So yeah, he used to own it, but he sold it.
Yeah, sold to this guy. That's why.
Are you sure it's him?
I don't even know.
Fuck. So this is Hack's brother's car. Look at that, bro. Oh, you should drive it.
Huh?
You should drive
It's
it.
too slow.
Too slow, yeah?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh, look at that. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Wrap S15. Well, Hack, bro, you need this lip spoiler. Not your fucking backyard job.
Yeah,
backyard job cut, bro. Wait, so that's a good one. It curls. And then look got Hack's one, aren't we? Fuck. We're the cleanest car here, yeah? Clean. Look at this car. Oh, anyway, this is Hack's getaway's job, bro. Look. Fuck, bro, look at the cat. Hey. Wait, this side too, bro. Oh, he miscut it, bro. Look. There's like lines everywhere.
Bro, whoever's car is this, man?
Nah, jokes. The previous owner cut it.
That's me, nah.
Oh, look at this.
I need a
TP. Yeah? Oh, even this one, bro. Look. That's pretty sick. We're like, hey, what the fuck? Bro, how come this has 2 air valves? If anyone knows, let us know. Fuck. I love these chases, bro. Yeah. Oh, man's next car. Oh, man says should he cop or drop it? Fuck. Boy, next car or nah?
Oh,
huh?
hey, it could have been you already.
Yeah. But after all these rocket bunnies, man's thinking of getting a rocket bunny 86 BRZ now.
Nah, you know what I'm thinking of?
What?
Alright, I'm thinking of A6, wide body, rocket bunny, yeah. S14, maybe
Lamborghini?
None of that.
None of that shit. Oh, you walked away, bro. Look at that. Bigger than our heads. Yeah. Far out. Alright, so we just left the meet. We weren't there for too long. It was a pretty decent meet, but now we're what? Wait. But now we're gonna go pump some fuel and then get some food. So yeah, so I didn't record much at the meet, but I got some sick footage, bro. How about that Supra, bro? That fucking Supra. I'm gonna play. Hey, I'm gonna
skip 2 beats.
Yeah, I'm gonna play that Supra one more time, bro. Here, yeah. But yeah, catch you guys soon.
Same.
Boom. Alright, so the car meet was alright.
What car meet?
And now I'm gonna show you guys what I did to my car. So I decided to join these 2 videos up, as the first one was
Boring.
yeah, it was probably boring, and secondly, it was probably too short. So I'm gonna join these 2 videos up, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did to the car. So here it is. Boom! Hey yo, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be spraying down my engine strut bar. But I'm going to be spraying with either the anodized purple or the anodized blue. But first things first, gotta clean this down so then I can start spraying it. Alright, so just cleaned everything, wax and grease removed it, and now we're gonna add in our own little touch. So we're gonna put in a ZPG sticker in the middle there. We're gonna spray over it, and when it dries, we're gonna peel the ZPG sticker, and then it should show ZPG in chrome. So this is our new setup. If you haven't seen from what we started with at the so this is our new setup. So if you haven't seen what we did with my lip, here will be a link right here or right here. But back then we used a cardboard box and then just put the lip on it. So now we actually got like these stands, coat hangers, and we've got an actual booth now. Well, not actual booth, but actual stand. And I'm not too sure what color I'm gonna do, either the blue or the purple. I reckon the blue will suit the car better, because my car's blue, but the purple will give it more of that wow factor. So, I don't know, I'm still gonna decide. Alright, so I've decided to just go with the blue.
You decided before.
Hey. Hey, as what I was saying, I decided to go with the blue, because, you know, just to make it look a bit more cleaner. And then I'll probably clean this up and then spray this one the purple, just to see how the purple actually turns out. I'll probably get called Rasa for this, but ZPG, you already know what that stands for, hey. Alright, so while the coats are drying, I'm gonna attempt to sand these brackets down and then spray it. I don't think it's gonna turn out the same as the strut bar, because it said that you gotta spray the paint over chrome. If not, you gotta use their special product or something. So that will turn out the same. We'll probably give it that more of that matte dry look. But yeah, I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay. Take two. Third coat. Alright, so remember at the start when I put on the ZPG sticker? So my plan now is to remove it, and it should show the chrome at the bottom. Oh! So the actual strut bar is finished itself with the nice ZPG. Yeah, it is 100 times way better. Look at that. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for tonight. I gotta let the bar dry. Next time when I paint the brackets and sand it, I'll see you guys then. Ooh, so there it is, guys, the strut bar. The nice blue, the ZPG again. Alright, so here's the purple one. It's not as shiny and the bottom's white, but fuck it. It's not as chrome looking as this, but it's looking sick. The blue and the purple. Alright guys, so there it is. Fuck, the blue and the purple, 100 times way better. Look at that. Oh fuck, it looks purple in the camera. Alright, so here's the strut bar in the daylight. I actually chipped off some paint already. If you can see there, trying to install it. The tools kept hitting it and it just chipped away. Also, here's a ZPG chrome logo. I stuffed it up peeling it right there. Hi. I stuffed it up peeling it, but it's still looking sick. Look at that. The purple is not as shiny because it wasn't like a chrome type material, so when I sprayed it on, it looks more of like a normal paint color than a chrome shiny look. I reckon I should have did all blue including the brackets, or vice versa, all purple with purple brackets too. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today's video. So basically that was us just going to a car meet, showing you guys a little bit of that car meet, and me touching up something on my S2000. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a fat like, comment down below what I should do next to my car, as I haven't really been doing much. Hey! So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button, give it a really fat one, and subscribe. Laters!